Hello everyone, I'm Martin
Ryan here.
and today we're going to be reviewing the A&W Beyond Meat Burger. Now, I know this burger has been out for a year or two, but you know what, let's just review it anyways, because why not? Right, so yeah, they're both Beyond Meat burgers.
They're filled with cheese.
So we got this one, and we got another one right here. So take it out, Ryan.
I might take.
So as you can see here, it has mayo, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, ketchup, onions, pickles, I believe, yeah. And then of course we have the Beyond Meat patty.
We have ketchup in it.
Now, we haven't really tried Beyond Meat yet, so this is kind of like our first experience. So, all right, Ryan, take the first bite. Right.
It's vegan.
Yeah, I think they did a really good job on making the Beyond Meat patty taste like real beef, because you can't really taste the difference. Alright, Ryan, what do you think about the burger?
A 10 out of 10.
Alright, Ryan, what do you think about like the patty?
Patty is 100% plant beef.
Yeah, but taste. Like, yeah, you can't even taste the plant-based.
In the ketchup.
Alright, so I have to say, I rate this 10 out of 10. But yeah, this is Beyond Meat Burger from A&W. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next food review.
Stay tuned for the Timbits review.
Alright, we'll see you later, guys.
Bye.